Ella, are you ready?
Yeah.
Adventure is the one. I think it's fun to play to roll over and run. Under the sun, she likes candy chocolate bars and ends up sleeping in the car.
So, Blondie, we're gonna make curry Chex.
Again. Again. Furikake.
Chex. Hello, Blondie. What's gonna make Chex Max? Furikake Chex Max.
The ingredients?
Furikake sesame butter, corn syrup, honey, Maggi sesame, soy sauce, sugar, bugles, my cereal, honey, honeycomb.
Where is my Ella? Ella.
Peekaboo!
Okay, we'll combine the dry ingredients now.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna buy cereal and bugles.
Combine. Okay, so what are we going to do now?
I can put all the cereals and bugles inside this bowl.
Okay, go ahead. Where's Ella's head?
Now we have to mix it with a pink or blue. Pink or blue. Okay, then we say pink.
But you need to use both, ba?
Bowl. Like my mom know how to teach me how to mix it.
Okay, so Mama will do the seasoning.
Yeah, I forgot we have to use oil. And you put oil right here, Mom. It's so oily.
It's because it's oil.
So we're gonna put 2 sticks of butter. I think I don't need this. So my mom said make this for me because it's too hard for me. I'm gonna put the kaki seasoning
Furikake.
for kaki. Hey Google, set the alarm for 15 minutes.
All right, your alarm's set for today at 11:42 p.m.
Don't forget my cereal, Mom.
A few moments later. The next day.